Well, welcome back to Channel Run. Today I'm going to be replacing the directional bulb on a 2015 Dodge Caravan. First thing we need to do is you take the bulb out and find out what type of bulb that we need, and then we go from there. So let's go ahead and get started. Step one, release the hood. Move the lever towards the driver's side. Go ahead and lift the hood and prop it. Now just go ahead and locate where it is, and you're going to turn it to one side or the other to remove it, just like that. And then reach in there and just pull that bulb out of there. And there's going to be some numbers on there you're going to need to read. And this is a 3757N. So you're going to need to pick one of those up either online or at your local auto parts. All right, so I just went to the local auto parts and pick a set up. They're about 10 bucks for a package of two. Go ahead and remove one, and just like with the halogen ones, you want to be a little careful with the oil that is on your hands. So just kind of use, a paper towel or something to kind of wipe it off, and actually maybe as you're putting it in the socket. So then just take the socket and go ahead and just plug it in like that. Wipe it off a little bit and then feed it back into where it goes, and you'll have to turn it one way or the other. Looks like counterclockwise. There we go. It's all in. So now the moment of truth. There it is. Not that overly complicated, but it's going to save you money if you do it yourself. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.